In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix ADI Views Editor. If you've ever wanted a professional-looking website without getting stuck in design details, this walkthrough is for you. We'll focus on Wix ADI, the Automatic Design Intelligence option, and I'll also explain how it compares to the traditional Wix editor so you can choose the right path for your needs. Start by logging into Wix with your account. This puts you in the dashboard where everything begins. Before you proceed, it helps to have a few basics handy. Your business name, a short description of what you do, and any brand elements like a logo or preferred colors. You don't need everything perfect, but having a clear idea of your business makes the next step smoother. From the dashboard, click Create New Site. This is your launch point. Wix will guide you through setup options, and the key choice here is how you want the site built. When prompted, choose Let Wix ADI create a site for you. This route is ideal if you're a beginner or you want a streamlined setup without manually placing every button and image. Think of ADI as a guided assistant that speeds up the process while keeping things clean and consistent. Next, answer questions about your business. Expect prompts about your industry, the kind of site you want, and features you may need, like a contact form, bookings, a blog, or an online store. You'll likely be asked for your business name, a short tagline, and whether you already have brand colors or a logo. Be specific and honest with these answers. The clearer your responses, the better ADI can tailor the layout, pages, and style to fit your goals. If you're unsure about something, keep your answers simple. You can refine your brand voice and visuals as you go. After you submit your answers, Wix automatically builds your site. This is where the magic happens. In just a few moments, you'll see a fully designed draft with structured pages, coherent typography, and images that match your industry. ADI's strength is speed and cohesion. Pages like Home, About, Services, or Contact are organized logically, with placeholder text you can adapt to your message. Now, how does this compare with the Wix editor? The editor gives you pixel-level control and a classic drag-and-drop experience, which is powerful but more time-consuming. ADI is faster, guided, and perfect for getting a solid site live quickly. If you value simplicity and momentum, start with ADI. If you crave granular design control and don't mind a learning curve, the editor shines.